Coming to you from the ScottieDTV You Can't Cancel Cool Road Tour 2020. And today I'm in Decatur, Indiana. I stopped by Lingenfelter. They got a CTS-V Cadillac wagon I think y'all gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. Sean, what'd y'all do to this one?
This had got our 1,000+ horsepower package done to it.
Okay, and what's that entail?
About everything.
Really?
Yeah, we got a built 417 cubic inch LSA engine with a 2650 supercharger on it.
Okay.
About every bolt-on fuel system you could think of.
Right. So that's your own design? The block's your own design?
Yeah, that's our own custom 417 cubic inch. It uses the factory LSA block, but everything else is forged internals.
What kind of horsepower do you get out of that?
We are close to 1,100. I think the final numbers we finished with is 1075 at the crank. So you're at 915 or so at the wheels, and that was in 90-degree temps.
What type of fuel system does it take to feed that monster?
Yeah, we have a full custom return style fuel system on it. So it is a flex system, so you can go back from 93 octane to E85.
You got to have two tanks?
Nope, single tank. Everything's in the factory tank. Just custom plumbing, custom pumps.
So somewhere in this computer it can detect whether it's 93 or E85 or somewhere in between and adjust the motor to that.
Yep, it has a ethanol content sensor plumbed into it, so it's calibrated to read back and forth between the two.
Man, and how drivable is this thing?
This drives pretty much like stock.
Right.
Till you step into it.
And then
hold on.
Wow, where's the car going?
It is going out to Washington.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That's cool. What year is it?
2014. It's got 15,000 miles on it.
Came straight here from the dealer. The guy bought it used and then had it sent straight to y'all.
Yeah, the customer hasn't seen it yet. He's excited to get it back.
I bet he has. How's this COVID been treating y'all?
It's stacked up the business for sure. Hard to get parts, but we got the business.
I gotcha. Does things seem to be getting better now, or is still got to back up on
It
parts?
is. You know, we're starting to get parts in, so we're able to get more out.
And if people are interested in getting more information on this, what's the best way to do that?
Yeah, just hit us up on our website at lingenfelter.com.
And a lot of this, especially when you get to this level, is going to be something that you're going to want to talk to somebody about.
Absolutely. So, you know, a package like we did on this V Wagon, you know, there's a lot of custom pieces on that. You know, we can adjust per customer there.
Right, kind of dial it into exactly what you're looking for.
Absolutely.
Because a lot of people would think they might want 1,000 horsepower, but at the end of the day, maybe they don't want to pay for it, or B, maybe they wouldn't even want to drive it with 1,000
Yeah, it might scare them.
Right on. Well, brother, as always, Lingenfelter's always turning out cool stuff, and this Cadillac is definitely cool.
Thanks, Scotty.
Yeah. So there you go from the ScottieDTV You Can't Cancel Cool Road Tour 2020 in Lingenfelter Performance, a 2014 CTS-V Cadillac, over 1,000 horse. How cool is that? Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.